Hey guys, this is Tanner down here at Central RV Center, and today I've got this 2026 Jayco Jayflight 330 TBS on sale for just $33,995. With financing available, $3,400 will get you on the road. Let's check it out. Jayflight 330 TBS is 37 foot long and comes in at 7,665 pounds, making it towable for a lot of half-ton setups. Inside, you got a 20-foot power awning with LED lighting, giving you a huge shaded area to relax. You also have a full outdoor kitchen with a refrigerator, blue LED lighting, and LP Quick Connect for your grill. So no more bringing extra propane bottles when you go camping. Walk in, you'll see the super slide out that really opens things up. You've got a pull-out sofa that's easy to sleep 2 adults, and a huge U-shaped dinette that converts down into a bed. This unit is optioned with 3 15,000 BTU Coleman Mach AC units, and they are fully ducted. So this camper will stay ice cold in the hottest of summers. And in the kitchen, you got a double bowl sink with a high-rise faucet and tons of counter space. A 3-burner stove, microwave, and an 8 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. And one big thing about Jayco, all your cabinets are real wood, screwed into place. No staples, no press board. And in the rear, you got a private bunk room with its own bathroom. Perfect for kids or guests to have their own space. These are 48 by 76 inch double bunk beds, and they're oversized and actually comfortable, easy to sleep an adult. If you have owned a camper before, you know tank capacity matters. Jayco stepped it up here. You've got a 78-gallon black tank, 78-gallon gray tank, and a 52-gallon freshwater tank. Also features a Suburban tankless on-demand hot water heater, so no more running out of hot water. The master bathroom features a large walk-in shower with a skylight to give you plenty of headspace, nice spot for linens and towels, and also a medicine cabinet. Front, you've got a private master bedroom with a 60 by 80 queen bed. You also get 4 separate wardrobe closets for storage and even a second entry door directly into the bedroom. Drop into my inbox or call or text at 318-541-9689 for availability or a quick price quote, or stop by Monday through Friday 8 till 6 and Saturdays from 8 till 3, or visit us at CenLawRV.com. Like, subscribe, and follow us at RV Life Louisiana for the hottest deals and latest inventory with deals posted daily. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy camping. The master bathroom in the front of the coach features a large walk-in shower, giving you a skylight with plenty of headspace. Up front, you've got a private master bedroom with a 60 by 80 queen bed. You also get 4 separate wardrobe closets for storage and even a second entry door directly into the bedroom. On top of that, you're getting a top tier quality craftsmanship plus a 2 plus 3 year warranty for peace of mind. So if you're looking for a spacious bunkhouse model travel trailer that's loaded with features, this is it. Call or text Tanner at Sinlaw RV Center before this one's gone, or check us out at sinlawrv.com. Until next time, be safe and happy camping. Thanks for watching.